welcome to Trira's Solution. In today's session, we'll be seeing regarding malware. What are malware and what are the different types of viruses which affect through malware?
Let's see today's topic. What is malware? Malware comes from the combination of the words malicious and software. Therefore, malware is defined as a piece of software used by cyber criminals to infect systems and carry out actions that will cause harm. This could include stealing data or disruption of normal usage and processes. Therefore, this malware has two main components. One is propagation mechanism and payload. Let's see what is propagation mechanism. Propagation is how the malware spreads itself across one or more systems. Let's see some example of this propagation techniques. We have virus, worm, and trojan. So we are very familiar of this types of software. So what is virus? Virus is a technology based virus, depends on some means of entry, specifically a user action to get into a system. Example, a user might download a file or plug in a USB device that contains the virus and contaminates the system. Next, let's see what is worm. Worm does not need any user action to spread itself across systems. Instead, a worm causes damage by finding vulnerable system it can exploit. Once inside, the worm can spread to other connected systems. Example, a worm might infect a device by exploiting a vulnerability in an application that runs on it. The worm can then spread across other devices in the same network and other connected networks. Let's see other topic. What is payload? The payload is the action that a piece of malware performs on an infected device or system. Some types of payloads. We have ransomware, spyware, backdoors, etc. So what is ransomware? Ransomware is a payload that locks systems or data until the victim has paid a ransom. Suppose there is an unidentified vulnerability in a network of connected devices. A cyber criminal can exploit this to access and then encrypt all files across this network. The attacker then demands a ransom in return for decrypting the files. They may threaten to remove all of the files if the ransom has not been paid by a set of deadline. What is spyware? Spyware is also a type of payload that spices on a device or system. Example, the malware may install keyword scanning software on a user device which collects password in detail and transmit them back to the attacker all without the user's knowledge. Next, what is backdoor? Backdoor is a payload that enables a cyber criminal to exploit a vulnerability in a system or device to bypassing existing security measures and cause harm. Example, a cyber criminal infiltrates a software developing company and leaves some code that allows them to carry out attacks. This becomes a backdoor that the cyber criminal could use to hack into the application, the device it's running on, and even the organization and the customer's networks and system. Other type of attack is the botnet. Botnet is also a type of payload that joins a computer, server, or any other devices to a network of similar infected devices that can be controlled remotely to carry out some criminal actions. A common application of botnet malware is crypto mining, which is often referred to as crypto mining malware. In this case, the malware connects a device to a botnet that consumes the device's computing power to mine or generates cryptocurrencies. A user might notice their computer is running slower than normal and getting worse by the day. So these are the some malware and the main components used which are caused, which is a propagation mechanism and the payload, as we have seen some examples on it. Thank you.